tree last year.
No.
And pumpkins.
I feel like I remember we got to play on this slide. It's so be careful. I can't see Luxie's foot walking.
Aww.
It's huge.
Hi.
Or you.
That one's cute up there. Look, there's a turkey. A turkey. There's a turkey in this one.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I guess this is the turkey survived. I guess this is the one survived Thanksgiving. Right?
Oh my gosh. It's just cheese.
Smells too yucky.
It smells yucky.
Oh, yeah. This one is the best.
No good.
No, I know.
Yeah, it's 70.
I know.
What?
This one. That one.
That looks pretty good.
This is like around the area we got it last year, remember?
You would hate a haunted house, baby, bro. Like, will you hold this like this? Don't push those.
Being all shaken. But you don't like the noise, do you? No. It's a sleigh.
There's 10 reindeers on it. Or it could be. It's kind of freezing.
It's freezing. There you are.
Stop talking to me.
Careful up there.
Bounce, 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 bounce. Go see.
Go ahead.
No, I'm way far away.
It's right there.
All I have is one stocking except all the other ones.
Okay, hold on. Like, show off your tree that you decorated.
I did that.
You did what, Lexi?
I did that.
You did a bunch of
I
them.
did this on this side. I did this. I did this on this side. I did this side snow globe. I did this.
Oh yeah, let me see that.
I did this. And I pushed it.
Let me get
It
it
took
good.
me
Good
200
view of
and
that.
it took me 200,000 years to get out.
To get out? Oh my god.
200,000 years. That's how much days it took me to get out of this snow globe.
Really?
And
It says 2017, and that was last
So,
year.
I
That
have
was
a
because you made it last year,
document
probably?
for a kid. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's how long it took me to get out here.
Ah.
And I need to tell you that Santa, you lost your tap. Stop. And I'm trying to get out. And then, do you know how I got out? I found a knife. And then I broke the glass with the knife. And then I got out.
What in the world?
I
Okay.
broke the glass with the
Well,
knife.
you guys did pretty good on the tree, and we're gonna put the star on tomorrow and finish it off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
This one.